Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this neon blue coloring for your clips on CapCut. So here I've already add a clips with some lights on it, and to create a neon blue coloring you just need to go to adjust and follow what I did. So first you need to set the brightness. I'm going to lower it to -6 and the contrast -15. Okay, and increase the saturations a bit, about 4 saturation and exposure. Then increase the sharpen into 10. And now click on the HSL and adjust the color for red, yellow, and blue only. So for the red color, set the hue into 10, and for the yellow, increase the hue to 75, and then saturation -15 and luminance 20. And after that, on the blue one, set the hue to -50 and then luminance 15. Now you can just go back and click on grabs and use these curves for the green and blue color. Okay, you can just adjust it according to your video, but I'm using this curve like this. You can just go back and now click on shadow and increase it to 11. For the temperature, to make it more blue, you can just lower it to -30 to 35. Okay, now set the hue to -15 and you are done. Okay, so this is the before and here is the after. You can see the difference, right? Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks. Thank you.